Hello colleagues, my name is Wale Adediran. I'm the HR Director of Flamis of Nigeria Group and Chairman Strategic Planning and Implementation Committee of the Chartered Institute of Personnel Management of Nigeria, CIPM. CIPM is the only body authorized by law to regulate the practice of human resource management in Nigeria. The committee is responsible for managing the annual HR Best Practice Award and the HR Optimization Award of the Institute. Those two awards over the last 4 years have become the icon and flagship for recognition of excellence in human resource practice in the nation. This year being the 5th year of the award, the Institute had introduced some innovation to further strengthen the objectivity and transparency of the award process. The awards themselves are aimed at raising the standard of practice in the country. Therefore, 10 practice areas have been defined in the HR value chain. On these 10 practices, standards, policies, procedures are expected to be articulated and documented by organizations, communicated to people in the organization, embedded in the day-to-day processes and operations of their businesses, and make positive impact on both the performance of the business as well as the people in the organization. Only those organizations who have these standards established across the 10 practice areas shall be recognized. Entries for the award shall be made online. www.cipmnigeria.org is the website of the Institute where the entries shall be made. All entries received by the 15th of August 2016, not later than 5 p.m., will be evaluated by a team of experts of the Institute. Entries that are up to par will be shortlisted as potential winners. These potential winners shall be visited by the team of experts of the Institute for 2 objectives. First, to validate the claims they make in the entries, and secondly, to conduct an organization-wide employee opinion survey to determine the impact that those standards established have had on the performances of the organization as well as the people in the business. Once this 3-step process of evaluation is completed, an objective rating and ranking procedure will be followed by the team of experts. The organizations with the highest scores will emerge as winners across 3 sectors. There will be a winner in the public sector, another in the private sector, and a third one in the small and medium enterprise group. Across these 3 sectors, there will be 2 runners-up in each of the sectors. In addition to these 3 winners and the 6 runners-up, there will be an overall winner who will be the highest rank across the 3 sectors. There will also be 2 runners-up overall who will be the runners-up to the overall winner across the 3 sectors. Now, the icing on the cake. For my colleagues HR practitioners, this year, 10 practitioners in each of the 3 organizations that will come top as overall winner and overall runners-up will be recognized. The first 10 for the overall winner will be recognized with Best Practice Gold Medal, while the runners-up will have Silver and Bronze Best Practice medals. Fantastic arrangement has been made this year for the practitioners as well as the organization to be duly recognized at the annual national conference of the Institute that will be coming up in October at the International Conference Center in Abuja. For the HR Optimization Award, the Institute targets recognition for projects and initiatives in the HR space that make the most impact on the performances of the business and the people in the organization. So in each of the 10 practice areas, projects that are relevant to those practice areas will be evaluated for the awards. There will be a winner in each of the 10 practice areas, as well as 2 runners-up in each of them as well. All the winners and the runners-up in both the HR Optimization Award and the HR Best Practice Award, as well as the medalists, will be recognized and decorated at the annual National Conference of the Institute that will be coming up in October 2016 in Abuja at the International Conference Center. Dear colleagues, I encourage you to go online, www.cipmnigeria.org, and make your entries. You can make entries for both the HR Best Practice Award and the HR Optimization Award across the 10 practice areas. I wish you all the best as you make your entry, and I look forward to you and your organization joining iconic organizations like Chevron, like First Bank, like Honeywell, just to name a few of past winners of these awards. I wish you all the best, good luck, and may the best practices and standards win. Thank you.